What's up YouTube, this is Aaron again, and today we are going to open this big boy up and we're going to test its bass. Yes, it's all about the bass, always has been. Let's go. Okay, I set up the JBL Bar 5.1 and it's now time for the finishing touch. No home theater system is complete without one of these. Inflatable soccer chair. Whoa, this thing is huge. I'm gonna have such a fun time inflating this with my mouth. Oh my god, how am I gonna do this? Stamina! Okay, that was not fun at all. It took me 1 full hour to blow this up. Oh, but now for the fun part, we're gonna test out the soundbar and see how it performs, okay? Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna try some nice copyright-free material here. All the sound settings, including the bass, is set to neutral. Okay, so there are no sound enhancements done. What you're about to hear is what you get. Right, so let's begin. Oh! Nice! So it hits pretty low, very low, resonant, but it doesn't punch your gut. So maybe you'll try out the song later on to see if it can hit even lower than what it's hitting now. But let's continue enjoying this song for now. Let's try music mode. Maybe put it in the music mode to sound more dynamic. Ah. The bass sounds a little bit cleaner now. Still deep though. Okay, let's try another song. Quite a lot of gravitas, especially in the 80Hz region. The bass doesn't feel sluggish at all. I think the woofer is doing a pretty good job there of giving you a sense of gravitas and heaviness to your music without it sounding too boomy. So far, that's how I feel. Let's continue. can feel my inflated chair vibrating, which is good, Okay, so let's play something else. How about this one? Very nice, clean sounding winds. So I think the soundbar itself is pretty well separated from the bass registers. Sounds pretty airy and open as well. The bass feels a little bit sluggish though, so it didn't quite cut off when it's supposed to cut off. Bass attack is good, but the decay is a little bit sluggish. So in this case, I would say that its bass performance is pretty decent to enjoy a wide variety of music, but you might want to tone the bass down a little bit. Maybe let's try. Let's bring it down from 18 to 15, okay? Let's try again. Yeah, slightly better. Yep, so bringing down the bass maybe like 2 notches is enough to make the bass sound a little bit better. If you bring the bass up like maybe to the mid-20s, I guess you'll notice that the bass becomes a lot more sluggish. Yeah, very sluggish. I think my neighbors can hear the bass, so I better bring it back down. So this is what happens if your bass is very sluggish. Okay, chances are your neighbors are going to hear the bass resonating throughout their living room, and that is not something that you want, okay? Let's try some video games, how about that? Okay, so I'm playing Battlefield 1, the game is loading up. I want to find out how cinematic it gets, okay? The soundbar has 2 portable speakers at the side, which you can detach and place at the back to use as surround sound speakers. So I'm going to leave them attached to the soundbar right now and just get a sense of how it performs like this, and then I'm going to detach the speakers, okay, and put them at the back. That sounds fun. Okay, let's go and attack the objective. Sounds fun. Shit! Oh! What? Oh my god, I didn't see him there. Okay, anyway, let's just detach this. See if it improves my gaming experience. Okay, detach the speakers. So I'm just going to show you where I put them, okay? Here, and then I put one here. Over there. Right, let's continue, see if I can get a better surround sound experience like this. No planes though. Oh yeah.
We have lost objective.
I'm getting it. Yeah, I feel like this is a home theater, more like a surround sound home theater system. Put it out! Run! Latency is high. So it's not me, it's my internet connection. Okay, let me switch on the lights now. Okay, so I really enjoyed playing video games with the rear surround speakers behind me. It just feels a lot more cinematic that way. Very nice. But here's the thing, the rear speakers run on rechargeable battery, and JBL says that they have up to 10 hours of battery life. But I'm assuming that 10 hours is the best case scenario here, and if you play it a little bit louder, you probably won't get 10 hours, but a lot lesser than that. For sure, it makes things a lot simpler for people who don't want to have rear speakers mounted on the ceiling and running cables and all that. So if you're one of these people that I just described, the JBL Bar 5.1 might be a pretty innovative solution. I hope you enjoyed this bass and sound quality test video. I will be using this soundbar for a few more weeks. If I've got anything more to say about the JBL Bar 5.1, you'll be the first to know about it on one condition. You gotta subscribe. And you gotta ring the bell to join my notification squad, because I upload videos every week and that is the only way you'll get notified. And if for a while you have been following my channel and you feel that I'm doing a great job with these videos, please feel free to treat me to a cup of coffee on Patreon. Link is in the description, and I thank you in advance for any contributions whatsoever. Thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope you have a great week ahead. And as always, face palm. Okay, let's make it a double one. Face palm out.